Hello traders. In this video, we're examining the Instant Profit Scalper for MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you how we generate short-term signal arrows on your charts. At this point, I'll go ahead to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, remember to allow DLL imports, and there we have it on the chart. The Instant Profit Scalper Indicator displays directional arrows on the price chart, typically accompanied by additional visual elements such as trend bands or color-coded zones, as you can see. The arrows aim to highlight potential short-term momentum shifts, with buy arrows appearing during perceived bullish conditions and sell arrows during perceived bearish conditions. As for the indicator settings, let's look at the inputs. The settings usually include parameters for the signal sensitivity, the calculation period for the underlying algorithm, and options for alert notifications. You're also able to customize the arrow style, colors, and whether additional trend overlay elements are displayed. So who's this indicator for? This indicator is designed for scalpers and short-term traders on MetaTrader 4 who want quick visual references for potential momentum shifts. It is a visual tool only and does not execute trades. The indicator should not be taken as a guarantee of results. False signals are common in scalping timeframes, so always confirm with additional analysis and apply strict risk management. That's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.